Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Put on gloves, plug the drain, and remove loose debris so rust remover contacts metal. Sprinkle baking soda over the rusty area and pour white vinegar until it fizzes. That reaction loosens rust. Let it sit 5–10 minutes while you prepare a soft non-scratch pad. This combination, alkaline baking soda and acidic vinegar, breaks down iron oxide without harsh abrasives. Once it bubbles and softens, gently scrub with the pad, following the grain to avoid scratches. Now you tackle the stubborn spots. Rinse the area, reapply baking soda, then saturate with vinegar and let it sit again for 10 minutes. Scrub with firm but controlled pressure in the direction of the stainless grain. This reduces scratching. For deeper pits, use lemon juice and a sprinkle of salt as a natural abrasive, then scrub and rinse. Make sure to rinse and dry between cycles so you can see progress clearly, and repeat the soak scrub process up to 3 times if needed. Finish by rinsing all residues and drying the sink completely with a soft microfiber cloth. Water left behind can cause new spots. Apply a stainless polish or a thin layer of mineral oil to restore shine and create a protective barrier. If rust persists after natural methods, switch to a commercial non-acidic stainless steel rust remover and follow label instructions. Troubleshooting tip: if you notice surface etching or dull spots, stop abrasive work immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.